Hello all, good morning. It's 24th of October, 3:30 a.m. We have checked out from our hotel and we are heading towards Jhansi. On the way, our cousin Kamal called us and he told me that his place is on the way. So just asked him to visit. Asked us to visit him on the way. So we are now heading towards his place just for a flying visit. And then I think he has bought us some fruits or maybe snacks. So maybe he'll be handing us over those things, and then we'll be heading towards Jhansi. This is Kamal, who has come here to hand over certain things. Time is 6:40. We have covered about 177 kilometers. We have stopped at this highway for having a cup of tea. We had a nice tea here, and destination for today, as I mentioned before, is Jhansi. So right now we have all three of us travel brothers. See,
yeah,
three of us are here.
Finally,
and I am here. So all of us are here, and finally travel brothers united. And we have a very good sunrise here. It's pretty good, and we'll be pushing a little harder today because we have to cover lots of distance. We have to at least reach Jhansi by about 9 in the evening, 9 in the night. So we'll be pushing, and I think videos will be a little less today because we'll be on the road. We stopped at this UP Dhaba in Nirmal district of Telangana. Thought of having breakfast. They don't have actually breakfast, they only have snacks and tea, but tea was excellent tea. And we had samosa and aloo bonda, very good. Lots of truck drivers have stopped here for having breakfast and getting freshened up. And this place very good tea and samosa.
so the time is 9:07, and this beautiful lake, the view that you see is exactly the border of Telangana to Maharashtra. So we're technically entering the second state for today. We left Hyderabad roughly about 4 a.m. and in 5 hours we've almost crossed the state and entering Maharashtra. So this is the view for you folks. It's an amazing view. Our next pit stop is most likely going to be in Nagpur. We haven't really had a breakfast. We kind of stopped for chai, and we just hope that we get some good food in Nagpur. And probably our final destination for the day is going to be a place called Jhansi in Madhya Pradesh. If all goes well and if you're on track, I'm sure that we'll rest in Jhansi for tonight. And here comes our monster vehicle, right? The one that we're gonna be completely relying on for this road trip. Yeah, so that's about it for now, and I'm sure we'll keep you guys posted on a timely manner. We just hope that the day goes well and everything goes as planned. So yeah, that's about it for now. I'll talk to you guys in a short while. Ta-da.
So we're basically exited Telangana and entering Maharashtra. I think there's a check post. They might have blocked. They have blocked this road. We have to go back and then take the other route. I'm not sure how long we have to go back, but it doesn't look long.
National Highway 44 for 6 kilometers.
We have reached Nagpur, this Butiburi industrial area. This is where we stayed last time when we came for our all India trip. In this place, I think behind the tree there's a hotel called Royal Regency, and that is that's one. Hotel Royal Regency.
400 meters, slightly left on.
That is where we stayed last time when we came to Norman. We actually stayed here in Nagpur overnight, and then from here we went to we proceeded to Agra. This time we are not staying in Nagpur. It's only about 11:30 a.m. And we are going to stay in Jhansi. So first thing here is we are going to go to Haldiram's for brunch, and then post that we'll be going to Jhansi non-stop.
National Highway 44.
It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We had our super duper lunch at Haldiram's Nagpur, and then now we have just come to a small pit stop here, just outskirts of Nagpur in the highway. We got some shade here, so we thought we'll stand here for some time and then we'll proceed further. The food was excellent. South Indian food was excellent. We had kachori, that was good. Thandai was good. Food was super. Now again the destination is going to be Jhansi, and I think it will be 10 o'clock by the time we reach Jhansi. So time is 2:10. We have crossed Maharashtra, entered Madhya Pradesh, and there is a small traffic deviation that has happened. We have actually asked us to go through this national park. It is very beautiful on both sides, and it looks like a very thick national park. We even saw the pictures of tiger have been kept here. Not sure if this place has tiger population. This place looks very beautiful. After a deviation of about more than an hour's time, we have finally hit the main road. It's a big relief because we currently have a bit of network also, and only problem is that there is a 2-hour delay in our entire journey. So we are supposed to reach Jhansi by about 10 o'clock, and it's going to be at midnight by the time we reach. So let us see how the trip is proceeding further. So we stopped in this dhaba for having dinner. Looks pretty neat. Climate is actually a little cold in Madhya Pradesh right now. We're feeling that cold here. So looks like salad has come. Super food. Excellent food. Spicy, very tasty, hot. Road is excellent. And curries are also very good.
Okay, so the time is about 8:15. We just had dinner in a pretty good dhaba. From outside it did not look like they're gonna serve this delicious food, but we are super happy with the kind of dinner that we had, and it was pretty cost effective as well. Now we're heading towards Jhansi with about 220 odd kilometers still to reach. The Madhya Pradesh highway has been really good. We are able to keep up the pace. The only thing that you need to watch out if you're going to travel in this highway is that you'll find a lot of cows on the road. Some will be sitting and some will be moving as a herd. So be very mindful in terms of driving, especially during the nights, since the number of cows that we've seen is over more than about 100 or 200 in about 3-4 hours of driving in this highway. So watch out, and we'll provide you the next update as soon as we reach Jhansi. Ciao. So this is exactly what I was talking about. Look at the amount of cows sitting on the national highway, right? It's about 9:40. We've reached the border of MP and entering UP. So this place is called Atta. We've got yet another task to do. In about 6 kilometers, we have to fill fuel. UP, I apparently heard that the fuel prices are much lesser in comparison to MP, so we're gonna do a full tank in about 5 kilometers in the nearest or the first petrol bunk in UP, and then head to Jhansi. Approximate time to reach the destination is gonna be 12 o'clock. So we'll keep you posted further.
It's 12:15. We have checked in to our hotel in Jhansi. It's called the Srinath Palace. It's a very old property, pretty decent and basic. Thing is, we traveled about 1,200 kilometers today, and we spent 20 hours on the road. We started at 4 a.m. from Hyderabad, and we reached at 12 here at Jhansi. So overall, we drove for 16 and a half hours. So maybe 3.5 hours would be the break time that we might have taken, and roughly covered 1,200 kilometers. I think about 1,180 or 190 kilometers. So we can keep it as 1,200 kilometers roughly. The first section of the road was very good in Telangana. Once we touched Maharashtra, there was a bit of bad roads, but after that the road quality improved. It was good. Then when we entered Madhya Pradesh, we had to take a detour from the normal Google map. So basically, Google didn't guide us to the proper route. That the route that Google showed us was actually blocked. So we were deviated through another road, which took almost about 2 hours extra than the initial route was. And then post that, the roads were narrow and there were some potholes and all in the road in Madhya Pradesh. Once that was done, once we reached the Asian Highway, the roads were good, very flat, smooth roads. Till Jhansi, the roads were excellent. Once we reached Jhansi and we entered the city, there was about a patch of 8 kilometers where the road work is going on. So basically, there were no roads. And then finally we managed to reach the hotel. So very eventful day so far. It's been good. And tomorrow we haven't actually planned where we are going to stop tomorrow night. But in anyways, we'll prepare some plan by tomorrow morning or maybe afternoon. And it's been very tiring, so I need to have a sleep. And the travel brothers are already down in the bed.
Good night, guys.
Yeah, one has already slept, the other one is waving hands. So that's it for today, and good night, sweet dreams, bye. Looks very beautiful, very old Canon. I think they might have removed that barrel.
Amazing.
Looks gigantic.